Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best split bolt connectors that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Split Bolt Connectors. Split bolt is a very handy component used in various equipment like industrial electrical. The multifaceted utility of the split bolt depends upon the material used and the precision adopted in the manufacturing process. Split bolts are widely used to firmly hold any tiny object in between the split to have a precision in its operation, whether electrical or industrial. Number 10. Lever Nuts Conductor Compact Connectors SPL. The different color lever handles allow you to distinguish the corresponding wires in the messy wire stack, greatly improving the efficiency of the work and saving a lot of time. Main features: easy to distinguish, safe and efficient, convenient and practical. Number 9. Kuejotty 5PC Sturdy Solid Copper Split Bolt Connector 2AWG Solid L listed. Precision tooled threads allow maximum torque to be applied. It can be tightened down nicely, making a secure connection of the joint. Main features: high breakage resistance, signature series all listed, split cracking. Number 8. 3M Performance Plus Wire Connector R/Y+BOX. Great for all types of jobs, from industrial and residential construction to automotive, marine and appliance applications. An expandable spring lets you take in more wire uptake and reuse. Main features: easy to use, connector sizes, comfortable. Number 7. 160 pieces twist-on wire connector Assortment Gray. All 94 volts -2 flame retardant shell will not crack or break even when applied to maximum wire combinations under extreme pressure. For use in electrical appliances, lighting and building wiring. Main features: color-coded, easy size selection, high quality. Number 6. 4P4CRJ9 RJ10 to 3.5 mm female headset adapter cable. 3.5mm headset cable convert 3.5mm smartphone plug to single 4P4CRJ9 or RJ10 handset plug. Main features: the compatibility, color green, handset plug. Number 5. Pluggable LED wire connectors TYUMEN 24 PCs. The wire connectors perfect for all vehicle audio, video, speaker, LED strip lights installation and other electrical equipments. It is widely used for various low voltage. Main features: wide application, safe to use, quick wire connector. Number 4. Cambridge Electrical Wire Connectors Screw-on 25 pieces assorted sizes. Cambridge wire connectors are designed with a flame-retardant thermoplastic shell to provide excellent electrical insulation. Main features: convenient resealable bag, high quality, electrical insulation. Number 3. Gardner Bender FLX 5008 watts white split flex tubing. Split down the middle for wire breakout where needed. Tube can be cut to shorter lengths as needed. Quickly and easily wraps around wire. Corrugated for added flexibility. Main features: flexibility, cords for electronics, easily wraps around wire. Number 2. Morris Products Direct Burial Lay-in Connectors for Copper Conductors. Complete with a stainless steel screw, this direct burial lay-in connector is keyless listed and L467 listed for direct burial and grounding/bonding applications. Main features: safety approved, high quality, multiple purpose. Number 1. 320 pieces twist-on wire connector Assortment Gray. Tough L94 volts -2 flame retardant shell will not crack or break even when applied to maximum wire combinations under extreme pressure. For use in electrical lighting and building wiring. Main features: easy size selection, high quality, changes and additions. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.